We just got this nostalgia cotton candy maker and I'm going to open it for the very first time and put it together, and we're going to have a first look at it. A couple things I think are really cool is that you can use hard candy. You can also make sugar-free cotton candy, and then of course you can use the flossing sugar. So let's go ahead and open it up, see how easy it is to put together, which I'm really hoping because I am terrible at these things. And let's see what all comes with. So the thing that really attracted me to this was just like how small it was, so it's easy to fit on a countertop, and just the whole like old school vibes. Like obviously it's nostalgia, so I look at it and I'm feeling very nostalgic, of course. So these are all the pieces. Of course I have no clue what any of them are. I believe this is the top part to protect it from flying out. This is the actual machine. Look how small this is. Look how cool. Oh, it's got like this like retro vibe to it. I think it is really cool. Oh, so there's a big thing. That's important. On the side it says do not turn wheels because they are for decoration only. So obviously you don't want to grab this and try and pull it around because that's not what it's meant for. So this is the machine. It also comes with, I think I saw another one in here. It comes with 2 reusable flossers, which is really nice. So if you're just using this at home, you can, you know, obviously be reusing those. Let's take this tape off and you know, see how it all fits together. I can't get it. There we go. Okay. Oh, and it also comes with a little scooper. So this, if you're using the flossing sugar, this is what you're going to use to scoop into the top. I think that this literally just goes like this and then like this, and that just snaps on. I think that is it. But I feel like, am I missing something? No, I guess this just goes, it just goes right. Okay, let me take this off to show you. So this is it. This is where it goes, this part here. So it comes with the plug, obviously. So you're going to have to plug it into the wall. And there is just one switch, which oh, did you hear that? Look at this on the bottom. So that is really cool. So it's got the little suctions there, so it's not going to slip and slide all over the place. So it's just on the front part here, but like, so look at that. It's stuck there now. That is perfect. Very smart. So you're going to plug it in, obviously, and the whole point is that it heats it up, right? So this is the little element there. Obviously, I see like the little hot sign. You're not going to want to stick your finger in there or anything like that. So we're going to plug it in because I want to hear like how loud it is. I want to like see the movement. Let's go down here and plug this in. Let's just give it one little, and look at that. And then that is it. That is, of course, as you know, we have this part here that's going to go on top there. It's just going to snap into place. I think it needs to line up better, like right on here. Oh yeah, see, that just snaps down. So that just snaps down. Yeah, you know when you can like smell heat? I definitely can smell heat. Oh, I can see it. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that underneath, but it's definitely getting nice and hot, so that's going to heat it up. Because at first I was really surprised. I was like, what do you mean hard candy? I didn't know that that was a thing, but it literally is. So if you can't find that floss, obviously you can find hard candies, and the fact that you can use sugar-free on there, it looked like it was like a little peppermint, which is really great. And you would just pop it into the top here, and it's going to melt and spin, and then it's going to create your floss. And like, look how cool this is. So it is really fun like to have at home if you're having some sort of like party. This is really great because it's not something you see often, right? And yeah, as I said, I just love the look of it. Very old-fashioned, like carnival vibes. Definitely something you'd see if you were going to the carnival, but now you get to have it at home. How fun!